What if a historic brownstone could bloom like eternal spring, blending city grit with effortless sophistication? Step inside David Easton's masterful revival, where urban edges soften into sunlit serenity that redefines elegant living forever. Walking into this entrance hall feels like stepping into a quiet, sun-warmed pause in the city. The tall doors and raised panel walls carry a calm formality, softened by the rich oak floor glowing under morning light. I can feel the smooth grain underfoot as shadows stretch across the herringbone pattern, and the dove-white walls seem to breathe with a soft, airy light, making the space feel both elegant and genuinely welcoming. I drop into the living room and immediately feel embraced by the daylight spilling through those tall windows. The light traces the herringbone floor, bouncing off the dove-white walls that feel cool and serene, yet alive with the faint reflections of outdoor greenery. The air here feels slow and unhurried. The room hums with a gentle, sun-kissed calm that makes it easy to linger, to sink into the cushions and let the city fade away outside. The dining area feels like the heart of a shared morning or quiet evening, where the sunlight slides across the table and onto the floor. The same oak grain underfoot, the same dove-white walls with their delicate molding, tie dinner to every other moment in the house. The light feels warm, almost like a soft conversation, casting long, gentle patterns that connect meals to the rhythm of the seasons outside those tall, arched windows. The breakfast nook feels like a secret corner of the house, intimate but not cramped, where the morning light spills across the table and the window seat. I imagine curling up there with a mug of coffee, the light tracing the herringbone oak and glowing on the cushions, the world reduced to the warmth in the air and the quiet creak of the window frame. It feels private and cozy, like a personal pause button in the middle of the day. The kitchen feels alive in the quiet way daylight does, moving across the countertops and glancing off the brass hardware. The same oak floor and dove-white walls keep it knit to the rest of the house, while the light plays across the cabinets and the island like a constant, gentle conversation. I can almost hear the soft clink of dishes and the hush of morning routines, all carried on a beam of sunlight that makes the space feel both practical and deeply comforting. The pantry feels like a hidden chapter of the house, compact but full of quiet order. The glass-fronted cabinets glow with daylight, shelves lined with jars and canisters that seem to hum with a soft light. The familiar oak floor and dove-white walls feel like a continuation of the story already unfolding elsewhere, and the tall window at the end makes the space breathable, almost alive with the soft, diffused glow of a spring afternoon. The family room feels like the place where everyone naturally drifts, drawn by the softness of the light and the low, inviting furniture. The daylight spills across the floor and bounces off the walls, wrapping the space in a warm, even haze that feels safe and unhurried. I can feel the deep comfort of the sofa, the softness of the rug underfoot, and the gentle quiet that settles here when the city noise fades behind the tall windows. The home office feels like a calm sanctuary tucked into the roar of the city, where the light falls across the desk and the leather surface in soft, predictable lines. The shelves rise like a silent backdrop, lit gently by the window, and the air carries a faint stillness that makes it easy to focus. It feels orderly without being cold, the same dove-white walls and oak floor grounding me, as if the whole house is quietly holding its breath. The reading alcove feels like a cocoon of light and paper, where the tall window draws the day into the space and wraps the chair and bookshelf in a soft glow. The air feels still, charged with the quiet pleasure of getting lost in a sentence while the sunlight travels across the floor. It's the kind of spot where time feels optional, where the world outside slows down enough to let you breathe, read, and simply be. The sunroom feels like the house opening its arms to the sky, letting the courtyard light stream in and fill the room with a gentle brightness. The tall glass doors blur the line between inside and out, and the herringbone floor carries the warmth of the sun across its grain. It feels airy and alive, with the light bouncing off the plants and the low table, creating a soft, dappled pattern that makes the space feel like a leafy extension of the city outside. The indoor lounge near the sunroom feels like a quiet encore where the light settles into the upholstery and the rug, softening the edges of the furniture. The same oak floor and dove-white walls keep it tethered to the rest of the house, but the light here feels more intimate, like a domestic glow that lingers after the sun has moved. It's the kind of place where conversation feels easy, where the air is warm and the shadows are long, and the world outside feels just far enough away. Easton's Brownstone whispers a timeless truth. Spring's renewal lives in refined layers and natural light. Let this urban elegance inspire your own space to feel forever fresh, poised, and deeply welcoming.